Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys.com. We love technical analysis, and I think you should too. I'm going to check out TNDM today. Used to be a huge fan of trading TNDM. I think I was probably the greatest swing trading evangelist for this ticker. Haven't looked at it in a while. Why not check in, see how things are going, look for some good setups. Maybe TNDM and I will get back together and make some trades. Daily time frame. Slight daily uptrend. I am seeing some wicks here on this candlestick in particular. The last 2 days have caused me a little bit of concern here. And other than the fact that we are in a daily uptrend, it's not the greatest uptrend, is it? It's a little bit ugly. So we need to take a look at a smaller resolution and try to determine what the heck's going on. 4 hour time frame, we pull back a little bit. Still choppy, still kind of ugly. Go look at the hourly time frame. And I'm starting to see a little bit of clarity here. I'm looking at this and I'm saying, look, we got a little bit of a wedge shape. So we go and draw that in, take a look at what we might be seeing, try to connect the dots. And when I'm drawing my trend lines, I'm just trying to look for the line of best fit. What kind of makes the most sense here and what fits most of the candles. It's not necessarily going to be the final trend line, but I'm just trying to connect the bottoms of my reds, draw something that encompasses like 99% of the trading action. And if you're able to do that, you're able to find consistent areas of support and resistance. That's how you develop your trend lines. So I'm going to do at the top of my green, I'm going to go find, this is going to be harder because I only have red candlesticks, but I'm going to pick the bottom of the highest red candlestick and see if that lines up with anything else. All right, so we've got multiple areas of support. We know for sure that we have a good area of support down here. Not so confident in my trend line resistance, but I can see that there's a zone of resistance here. We've met this area before. It's acted as support. It's acted as resistance. It's kind of cloudy and ugly, but that's sort of what happens once in a while. But here we are looking at an ascending triangle on the hourly time frame. Now we have to keep in mind that the ascending triangle is actually a bearish pattern. Even though we're moving to the upside, our strength and our price trading action is getting more and more contained. It's getting tighter and tighter. The spring is building, and eventually something's going to happen. Where's it going to go? Generally to the downside, because this is a bearish pattern. So what we'll do, jump back to the daily time frame, take a look for some potential targets. If this actually comes to pass, what will it look like, and where are we going to look for potential areas of support? Well, right away I'm going to look for potential support right at the daily level at 56.47, just because that was a big volatile day, major flush to the downside, and we managed to find support there. That's a conservative area. If we were to break in the next few days in this pattern, that's not outside the realm of imagination for us to fall over a couple of days and find support at 56.47. It's not often we do break out of these patterns to the upside, but if we do, we've got a lot of resistance up here at 74.69. So I would play my bets most likely to break bearish because of these wicks we're seeing, this contained action, this ascending wedge rather, pretty indicative of a upcoming bear move. How substantial it is, that remains to be seen. 56.47, not a unconservative target. That's it from me today. If you like technical analysis, you want to learn more about how you can learn how to do this stuff, or maybe you just like looking at charts like I do, Google technical analysis. There's tons of information out there. Or you can check us out, chartguys.com. We love this stuff. We do it every single day, all day. Love charts.